31 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15. This process will continue. So 3 goes into this 3 how many times? 3 goes into 3 one time, right? 1 time 3, that gives you 3. Subtract 0. Now bring down this digit. 0 1 means 1. 3 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as this current dividend 1 is less than 3. So 0 times 3, 0 times 3, that gives you 0. Subtract 1. So our answer is 10, remainder 1. But if you want to write our answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Convert this whole number into decimal number. Take decimal, then you can add any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 goes into 10 4 times 12. So which is getter? So 3 times, right? 3 times 3 9. Subtract 1. Bring down this 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3 9. Subtract 1. Bring down this 0. So 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3 9. Subtract 1. So you can bring down more 0. So this process is continuing. So you can place here 3 dot. After getting 3 digit, you can place 3 dot. This is the answer. But this, since this 3 is repeating, you can place here bar. So 10.3 bar is our answer.